Good Powers Herbal and Spiritual Center. Contact me for all your spiritual problems. We are back again today to tell you some of the things we do here. Please, the 10 people that will first WhatsApp me or call me, I'll be giving them free reading and free direction. Whether you are from the USA, you are from Dubai, you are from Turkey, you are from South Africa, wherever you are, we send our product there. When you are a pastor that you want to be very powerful in your pastor work, if you are a pastor that needs a spiritual ring for the pastors, if you are a pastor that want to see people vision, if you are a pastor that need more customers in the church, contact Good Powers Herbal and Spiritual Center, and we are here to help you in private. We will never reveal your name. Here, we have helped a lot of pastors. We have helped a lot of politicians around the world. This one is for pastors. This one we call it Rabbana. It is for pastors. This oil is very small, very expensive. You need to contact me and you can see every problem of your church member. You can deliver. You can do anything as a pastor. I will give you 99 ways to use this oil to cast out demons from your church, to do all kind of miracles from your church. Contact me also for your spiritual ring. The spiritual ring is on preparation. We don't have some around here, but contact me for your spiritual ring. For politicians who want to win election, contact Good Powers Herbal and Spiritual Center. They will help you win the election, whichever country you are, whatever country you are. If you need any position, you are in Nigeria, you are in London, you are in Britain, you are in USA, you are in South Africa, whatever political position that you need, whatever office you want to occupy, whatever position you want to occupy, WhatsApp me here. Then I will give you the directives. I will help you. Good Powers Herbal and Spiritual Center. You call me on 0244 902878 or +233. That is Ghana code, West Africa. +233 244 902878. Good Powers Herbal and Spiritual Center will help you to discover the secret key to your success. That is our motto. This one is for the politicians. This one is for the politicians. If you want to win election, if you want to be loved by the people of your town, if you want the community to vote you, if you want to win the election with that estate, contact me for this one. We call it Hassan Hussein Spiritual Oil. It is for what? It is for politicians, and we also call it Sefu. Sefu, that is the name of the oil. These are for politicians. You make an order, we send it to any country you are. This one is not only for politicians. If you are in an office, you want to occupy position. If you are in an office, you want to be the boss. If you are in an office, you want to be the boss and the higher stand. You talk with authority. Contact Good Powers Herbal and Spiritual Center for your Sefu oil or Hassan Hussein oil. We are here to do, as we are selling our products, we also want you to know how powerful we are. We are very powerful in the whole world. If you need powers, Hindu powers, Kabacha powers, Anawatuzua powers, Jinni Bahud powers, every power you need from the world, contact us. We are here to help you. We are in Ghana here and we can help you through all out your problems. Believe, trust, and WhatsApp me. The 10 first people that WhatsApp, I'm giving them free reading and free direction to their lifestyle. +233 244 902878. See, we want to do some more miracle here. This is a spiritual miracle to show to you that we are really powerful. We can really do things beyond. This is just a 2 coin. See, the coins can never enter here. See, the coin cannot enter here. See, there's nothing inside. This is 2 coins. See, this is 1, this is 2. It can never enter here. Neither do it enter here. Look at it very well. There's no penetration here. Look at it very well. I'm closing it. Now I want to penetrate it here. See. I see it. I've made it enter inside the bottle. That is some of our powers here. We want to exhibit to you. Good powers, herbal and spiritual sayer. We are really powerful. I've just penetrated this bottle. I've just penetrated the coins from my hand to the bottle. Just like that. I've commanded it. This is some of our powers. Contact me for all kind of spiritual powers. Contact me for all kind of your spiritual powers. Contact me for your money rituals. Contact me for your reading. Contact me here. Contact me here. Call on this number for any of your spiritual problems. See, I want to do one last powerful thing. Contact me and your life will never be the same. You are a pastor, you are a politician, whichever country you are, contact Good Powers, Herbal and Spiritual Center for all your spiritual problems. And here we discover the secret key to your success. See, Anawa to Zua and Duna Kavasa, Hindu wonders, don't do this now, Kufa, Bole, never fail, Alaska to never fail, Bole. Powers from everywhere come here. I want to command the dove of the Hindus, the Hindu powers. I want you to appear here before me. Hekabacha coming from Majaja. People say you cannot command. You are the only commander coming from Jigjaga. Don't listen now. Kufa, Bole, never fail, Alaska to never fail, Bole. Contemporary. See this rag. I hope you are seeing this rag. It's an empty rag. This is a very empty rag. See this rag. It's a very empty rag. See it. I'm turning it for you to see. It's a very empty rag. It's a very empty rag. Hindu powers. Hekabacha. Coming from Majaja. People say you cannot command. You are the only commander. Coming from Jigjaga. Don't respect me. Now Kufa Ikun. Bully never Alaska to never bully. Contemporary. Hekabacha. Coming from Majaja. People say you cannot command. You are the only commander. Coming from Jigjaga. Don't listen now. Kufa Ikun. Bully Alaska to never bully. See. Contact me for your powers. I'm going to do powers here for you to see. Here we are really powerful. We don't joke with what we do. We are really doing a lot of things here. Hindu Powers, Herbal and Spiritual Center. Discover your secret key to your success. See what we are going to do. Powers. Hindu powers. Powers. Hindu powers. Kabacha powers. Anawa Tuzua. Andu Nakavasa. Hindu wonders. Don't regret na Kufa Ikun. Bully never fear Alaska. Alaska to never fear Bole. Contemporary. Hekabacha. Coming from Majaja. People say you cannot command. You are the only commander. Coming from Jigjaga. Don't respect now Kufa Ikun. Hekabacha. Coming from Majaja. People say you cannot command. You are the only commander. Coming from Jigjaga. Don't respect me now Kufa Ikun. This is the Hindu powers. We just commanded a dove from the power temple to show to our clients, contact Hindu powers for your spiritual problems. We are able to do all what you need from us. I want the dove to bring money. I want the dove to shit money. The dove want to start shitting money here. See, the dove want to start shitting money. The dove, I'm taking money from the dove. See, money is coming from the dove. Money is coming under the dove. See, money is coming from the dove. See money. Money is coming from the dove. The dove is bringing money. The dove is bringing money. See money. From the same rag, see money. I see money, dollars. Contact Hindu powers. Contact Hindu powers. Contact Hindu powers for your money. All kind of money rituals. Any money you need, contact whichever country you are. we send it for you. Contact Hindu Powers for your spiritual problems. Contact us for your spiritual problem. We commanded the dove. Hindu Powers, take our contacts. Contact us for all our spiritual problem. Here is it. Good Powers, herbal and spiritual powers. Contact us 0244 0244 902878 plus 233 244 9028. Hindu Powers, discovering the secret key to your success.